Good afternoon from Palma de Mallorca. MSC Virtuosa is dock here today. Actually, we're not alone. Right there, that's Celebrity Edge. And here, where is it? Oh, here, it's MSC Maravilla. I got a very interesting, funny post to one of my videos. A friend of mine criticizing me that I'm posting only about food, the ship, and drinks. And she said, "Oh, for God's sake, Leonard, post something about a museum, a monument, a concert." I'm not posting about that, I'm going there. But just to annoy my dear friend, I decide today to post more about eating in Yacht Club, in Bar&Grill, by the pool, fabulous food, and with some classical music in the background, just to make happy my friend.